Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today in this video I'm going to prepare Rabri. For that, first of all, heat the kettle. Now add 1 packet of milk to the kettle. Now let the milk be boiled, but stir occasionally because this is a kettle guys, steel one, so it can be burnt, so be careful. I guess this is the first sweet video in my channel and I am also preparing this for first time. Wish me good luck. Actually need to prepare this dish in gas, but for us hostel people the gas means it will be not available. Okay, sometimes okay we can ask the hostlers to provide, but okay still we can try in the kettle. Make that milk boil, okay? Guys, as you can see the milk has started boiling. For making rabdi, we need to reduce the milk to half of it, or we can say 1/4 of it. Actually, you need to prepare in the kadai. Why they suggest is we need to stir it occasionally and also in gas, because after the milk will be boiled, we need to switch off the flame. We need to adjust the flame to medium. But in the kettle, you can't do this, particularly in this kettle. Whoever is having the kettle with automatic switch off and on feature, they can try. Okay, they can reduce the flame to, or they can reduce the voltage to medium. So in this kettle, we will try to do that by switching it off in between. It will stick to the base, so be careful guys. Stir it occasionally. Now add some saffron to it for good color and also good smell. Okay guys, stir this. Okay, keep stirring. Again let it boil. We need to reduce this quantity to half. Now add some cardamoms to it. After that add some cashew nuts and almonds. Okay, it is kaju. You can add whatever dry fruits you want to add. See guys, as you can see now the milk is almost half, but we need to reduce this more. Keep stirring. The milk has reduced as much guys. Now add sugar how much you want and stir it. It is very difficult to form more milk in the kettle. So what you do is, in between, switch off the flame whenever it starts boiling. From the bottom side, just switch off it for some seconds, around 30 seconds. After that the cream will be automatically form. Okay, see, then take them out from the kettle and store in a bowl. Do like that, okay, till the milk reduced to 1/4. Means if you are taking 1.5 liter of milk, means it should be around 250 to 300 ml. Okay, like this, guys. Like, see that milk is boiling now. Now switch off it for a second. Now take the cream out from the kettle. See, add them into plate or a bowl. Cashew nuts and that green cardamom is also coming. That's not a problem. We want milk. The milk can't be stick in the kettle. It will be very easy to make this rabri in gas, but still we don't have gas, right? That's why. Again, boil the milk. Guys, as you can see, the milk has reduced much. Now take this to a bowl. See how thick it is. Now add the creams to this milk. After adding the cream to the milk, add some dry fruits, whatever you like. After that, give it a mix and let it cool in the room temperature. Okay, if you want to eat this in the hot, then yes, you can eat, otherwise cool it. After it get cooled, a little warm. Okay, now it is ready, guys. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.